Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. And as you can tell by the title, this video is about the fact that I was let go from my job. So in this video, I'm going to be packing up my work equipment and cleaning off my desk for a fresh start. I'm not going to lie, in the beginning, I was so annoyed. I was pissed and disappointed because my team lead had plans for, it was me and one other girl on the team, and they had plans for us and talked about how it's time to kick it up a notch. But then the company sends me this email that I'm one of the ones getting caught up in this random pick of terminations. Don't go off performance, don't go off attendance. It doesn't make sense to me. And a lot of people were caught up in it and were not happy. So yeah, I was bummed because I had finally found a job that I actually enjoyed and was gonna have the opportunity to, start to move up some. And then this. I decided to, clean off my desk and just do some self-care and just do some things that make me feel better and make me happy. So I pretty much got everything cleared out. I'm going to wipe down my desk, move my computer over, and that little computer box down there, the one to the left, that's the one that I had got on Marketplace. It runs Windows 11 because, as you know, after October, Microsoft won't be supporting Windows 10. So I ended up getting a really good deal on that. So yeah, I'm gonna fix it up and I'll feel much better about it.
I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. Not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare.
So, much better. Less cluttered. It's just exactly how I plan to live my life going forward in my new chapter. So yeah, I'm feeling really good about this. Yeah, I hate clutter. It makes me itch. So now it's time to get myself together, and that TV right there, me and my son, we play Super Mario on that TV. For some reason, I need another cord to hook it up to my big TV. But yeah, I'm feeling much better about my desk and my space. And now it's time to get myself together. So I decided to change my hair. I got cute and I went to a dinner party that I was invited to that I started not to go to, but I said, why not? I was glad I went. Laughed all night, had some good food. I was in good company, and it just fed my soul. So now, I've had my little outing. I can sit and start to put a plan together on what's next. But I just wanted to make this video just to be encouraging, because even though sometimes we may go through unexpected changes, it's just always important to pick yourself back up, self-care, and keep it moving. Like I said, I was mad, I was disappointed, I was upset, but now I just feel like what's for me is for me, and I'm excited to see what's next.
wanna play like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42 quarters, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave me so.